Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Ethereum. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So while this here may look like several weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past several days broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Been tracking this analysis on a very routine basis and want to get things updated here as we head into the long Labor Day weekend. Remember, cryptos are open 24/7. So this video, or I should say this chart, will continue to unfold, as the weekend goes on. So I want to make this video stay relevant for as long as possible. And in order to do that, I'm going to talk about just the broad levels and then kind of walk over some questions that you can ask yourself that, again, we'll just go with, through the course of the video. We'll say you're watching this Sunday afternoon and you can ask yourself these questions, and, that'll help keep this video as relevant as possible. And the first question to ask yourself is in regards to areas of resistance, and that is, where does the price stand relative to this area right up here around 297, 298, give or take right around that area. But that is definitely where the sellers are currently hanging out. You can see right here they've been rejected several times. But if you are answering that question, that the price is actually up above 298, 297, then that would imply that the weekend is going very, very well for the bulls. That would imply that not only has the price worked its way back up to that area, but now it's actually been able to push through it. So again, in that situation, that would be telling you that at that moment in time, Ethereum is having a very, very good weekend. With that being said, don't get me wrong, if you're watching and you're answering the question, well, no, the price is actually still below 298, that doesn't mean the entire chart is ruined or that it's a bad weekend or anything. That could very well just mean that the price is currently just consolidating too. So the follow-up question is, if the price is down below 297, 298 still, the next question is, okay, well, where's the price stand relative to this area down here at 270-ish? And you again go back through the history of the chart and you can see 270 has been acting as support quite a bit here. I mean, multiple times. And if you answer, well, the price is actually still above there, well, then one word can summarize the current price action. That is, consolidation continues. Right now, this is basically one big glorified consolidation. Now, from a trading perspective, don't get me wrong, yeah, there's absolutely some nice little swings here within this channel that could be tradable, but from kind of a big picture type viewpoint, not a whole lot can be said. And my guess would be, if you're watching this Sunday afternoon, the price is probably going to be between these levels, and again, that would just be summarized with one word: consolidation. Now, if you happen to be answering that the price is down below the 269 mark, then at that point, that would imply that the bears are actually having a good weekend for themselves and things are looking pretty shaky. But as it stands right now, the price is basically dead center in the middle of this channel. So if I, were forced to guess, I would say that probably going to stay in between this channel, especially given it's Labor Day weekend. Maybe not as active, but then again, these are crypto, so you never know. But yeah, use these couple levels and that'll keep this video relevant for as long as possible. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.